Today I'm going to show you if you want to upgrade or change your hard drive. If it's failing, you want to put SSD in there. Dead easy. One screwdriver, Phillips, slide this cover off, pull this up and off. PlayStation logo, 4 logos on there, take that screw off. Remember to have your software on a USB stick, download from Sony's website, pull here, and there's your hard drive. You can put a straight SSD drive in there, but to take this off, you've got 1 screw, 2 screws, 3, 4. Take them off, put the new hard drive in there. Remember the ways, which way around it is, because there's sockets here that it plugs into. So you've got the long one on the right looking here, and the short one on the left. Put it all back on, slide it back in, put your screw back on there. Now with everything we open, people always complain, oh, I can't get it back on. Look, there's a lip here, there's a lip here, there, catch, there, slowly bring it around there, no, there, play around, there it is, and then slide it on, done. So that's how you replace your hard drive. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and if you want to learn more things like this all around the house, home, flat, wherever you live, then follow us and subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon on another video. Bye for now.